Hello, my name is ZHAO. My metric number is 155134. For one question, how do you feel when you watch this documentary? In my opinion, I can see the Amazon River is polluted. If nothing changes, there will be no life here and everything will be destroyed. Because some of the local people make a lot of money from illegal gold mining, the Amazon makes up half of the world's remaining rainforest. It produces 20% of the world's fresh water and 20% of the world's oxygen, but it's been destroyed right now. Because of our current deployment, we worship gold and the rivers are filled with gold, so some of them have to change that on their own. And illegal gold mining has elevated the land, destroyed the health of a community, and destroyed its culture. For two questions, what do you think the impact to economic, social, environmental aspects, including flora and fauna? I think in this video, the destruction of the rainforest for gold mining is very economically beneficial, and the gold harvested from these rivers is sold to the gold market, driving up the price of gold. The impact on society disrupts the ecological balance, community health, and ecological culture. As for the environment, small-scale mines do not use mercury as efficiently as legitimate factories, but for every kilogram of gold produced, about 1.32 kilograms of mercury is released into the water. According to a study, the proliferation of illegal gold mines also allows inorganic mercury to be biologically converted into mercury, which not only enters the food chain through water source, but also poses a threat to plants and animals with excessive mercury levels. Animals, including humans that feed on a large number of fish, are at great risk. Local women are afraid to eat fish for fear of miscarriages due to mercury poisoning, and indigenous people in Brazil's illegal mines have been tested for mercury, and more than half of them do not have safe levels. Peru, next door to Brazil, sent an international strategy in 2018 aimed at eliminating mercury pollution, but the toxic metal is still widely sold on Peruvian websites. Many also exposes toxic substances such as metal sulfides buried in soil to the atmosphere, oxidizing them to more stable sulfuric acid and metal oxides, and they dissolve easily in water, polluting rivers with heavy metals. Plants and animals were also destroyed. Many toxic chemicals were used to mine gold, killing plants and polluting rivers. In addition, other mines use cyanide to separate gold from sediment, and once the control is not proper, the occurrence of leakage, the safety of miners. In August 1996, a cyanide spill in Ghana released 1 billion gallons of cyanide into a tributary of the Essequibo River, killing aquatic and land animals, poisoning crops, polluting drinking water for thousands of people, and damaging the ecotourism industry. But despite the damage, the Ghana's government allowed other mines to continue. These unchecked illegal gold mining activities have an impact on the Amazon rainforest and the global environment. This year alone, more than 2,000 square kilometers of rainforest have been destroyed because of illegal mining. In equivalent terms, every kilogram of gold produced 12.5 tons of carbon dioxide, which not only increased global greenhouse gas levels at the same time, it also reduced the regulating effect of the Amazon rainforest on the global climate. The extreme high temperature in many countries on Earth this year may be related to the serious destruction of the Amazon rainforest. For 3 questions, using your knowledge in environmental economics, what could be done to control the external cost? For 1 point, I think we should vigorously publicize the importance of ecological protection by means of publicity, stressing people's education on environmental protection and people's education on environmental protection and prevent those mining gold from damaging the environment, which can also be a good way to control external costs. For 2 points, for people living in Amazon countries, proper development should be conducted and strict standards should be formulated at the same time to put cost saving in the first place and protect the Amazon rainforest environment together. For 3 points, reduce the pollution of rivers and protect the environment in the simplest way without processing machines. Thank you for watching.